In this segment, we'll delve into ASP.NET Core Identity.
Will we be addressing client-side security in this episode too?
Indeed, ASP.NET Core Identity underwent significant enhancements in .NET 8, including the introduction of Identity Minimal API, Blazor integration, and bearer token support. Despite these enhancements, we decided to refine identity within boilerplate further. The first step involved integrating JWT support. While several GitHub projects implement this incorrectly in boilerplate, we work with the same identity bearer token. Then we utilize an iSecure data format implementation to convert the authentication ticket into a JWT token. This approach grants you access to the user ID, username, and additional claims on the client side. Consider a scenario where, in a to-do, you wish to restrict the ability to delete to-do items to admin users only. Within the shared project, you can define policies, with each policy assessing the presence of a collection of claims or roles, along with other specified requirements. These policies can then be employed on any controller or action in the server side or Razor pages, or via the authorized view within a page. This enables you to restrict access to specific controller actions, pages, or views, requiring users to hold a particular role, claim, or satisfy the specified policy. Additionally, you can programmatically verify whether the current user meets a desired policy by injecting the iAuthorizations service, accessible anywhere within both server-side and client-side code. To assign a user a role or claim, simply insert one or more rows for that user's ID into the user claims and user roles tables. Another action we took was to develop the identity controller. This controller's code closely resembles Identity's minimal API code, but we believe it's more readable and more accessible for streamlining the sign-up and sign-in processes, as every project has its unique nuances. Regrettably, the Blazor pages generated for Identity in .NET 8 are not compatible with Blazor Hybrid or Blazor WebAssembly, and they don't utilize Identity's minimal API, which is why we've implemented sign-in and sign-up pages on the client side. The refresh token mechanism also implemented on the client side.
So, the identity controller, along with the JWT implementation, a few pages, constitute the boilerplate code related to identity?
Indeed. In addition to those elements, we've also integrated email sending using Fluent Email. If you configure the SMTP server settings in appsettings.json, emails will be sent. Lastly, a certificate has been added to the project, which is employed to sign the JWT token and provided to ASP.NET Core's Data Protection API. Remember that when you want to publish your project, you must create a new PFX file using the .NET certs HTTPS command or the command of your choice. If you don't do it, you'll encounter an error, and it will also be mentioned in the video on publishing tips. You can further tailor JWT configurations, including the issuer, as well as identity settings like password complexity requirements and token expiration durations, directly within appsettings.json.
How can we customize the sent emails, and what should we do if we don't have an SMTP server during development?
To modify the sent emails, you can access the reset password and email confirmation templates, which are developed using Blazor and also support localization. During development, emails are saved in a file with the EML extension, which you can view with any preferred EML viewer. You can easily utilize the Ethereal site and similar sites suitable for initial testing. For testing purposes, you can also register on the to-do.bitplatform.dev site using your email and witness the whole process in action.
Well, it appears that our time for this episode is up. I'll see you in the next episode, where we'll discuss the server project's architecture.